Have you ever seen the sky on the ground? Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat and one of the most surreal places on Earth. This otherworldly landscape lies high in the Andes of Bolivia, at over 3,600 meters, or nearly 12,000 feet above sea level. But it's not just big, it's massive. Spanning more than 10,000 square kilometers, that's bigger than some entire countries. Salar de Uyuni was formed 30 to 40,000 years ago, when ancient lakes like Lake Minchin dried up, leaving behind a thick crust of salt. And nature didn't just leave it flat, it carved it into millions of hexagonal tiles, like a giant natural mosaic. No machinery, no artists, just wind, water, and time. But the real magic begins during the rainy season. When water covers the salt, Salar de Uyuni turns into a perfect mirror, reflecting the sky with such clarity. It feels like you're walking in the clouds. No filters needed, just nature showing off. This is why photographers and travelers from all over the world come here, to capture mind-bending illusions. One moment you're holding the sun, the next, you're walking upside down. It's not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. And beneath the beauty lies a hidden treasure: salt. Lots of it. Over 10 billion tons, with around 25,000 tons harvested every year. But there's something even more valuable underneath: lithium. Salar de Uyuni holds one of the largest lithium reserves on Earth, powering the batteries of our phones, laptops, and even electric cars. And get this, it's so flat and reflective that NASA uses it to calibrate satellites in space. That's right, this place helps guide the eyes of machines orbiting the Earth. In the middle of all this salt sits a lonely island, Isla Incahuasi. It's filled with towering cacti, some over 1,000 years old. From here, you get one of the most breathtaking 360-degree views in the world. Just salt, sky, and silence. Salar de Uyuni isn't just a destination. It's a living painting, a photographer's dream, and a geological wonder. It's a place that challenges your sense of space, rewards your sense of wonder, and reminds us just how strange and beautiful our planet can be. What if you could walk on clouds? What if nature had a mirror to the sky? You just saw it. And there's so much more where that came from. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping journeys around the world.